Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I have two interesting products over here by Ground Zero. Okay, this is the Iridium Series. I tried to look up a few unboxing and review videos, but I've never came across anything. So I decided to do it, and I'm also carrying this product right now. Alright, so who is Ground Zero? Well, if you are familiar with the sound quality industry and SPL industry, these guys are the big key players in that particular area. Okay, so I have the coaxial set and I also have the component set. All right, so as usual I want to go with the component sets first. All right, the box, nothing too shouty, nothing fancy lah, basically. Okay, it's just a box and you have all your specs over here. Okay, this bad boy is about 100 watt RMS. Okay, and that is about 80 watt RMS. So they are, number one, they are sensitive, 90 over dB, including that, and they can take power. Okay, now let's go for the unboxing. Open the box. There you go. Okay, now of course you will get this manual, which most people will not read. It has a lot of information, and you have your warranty card. Okay, toss that aside, and there you go, you get the unit itself. Now let's take out the unit. They give grills, which is amazing because a lot of custom works you require grill. Okay, and this is the woofer. All right, it looks very nice and it's soft. So like I always say, when you press the cone of the speakers and it moves effortlessly, the speakers are very high sensitive drivers. Okay, hence you don't need much power to power them. Okay, oh sorry, this is about 90 watts. Sorry, it's not 100 watts, it's 90 watts, and it's a 4 ohm driver. All right, this kind of reminds me of the gas audio, similar spec. Okay, and you have your tweeter covers finally. Okay, I appreciate when speaker companies, they include this, because not all cars have this type of fitment. Okay, so this is amazing. I like it from the factory. Okay, nothing on this side. Okay, everything is given here. You have cable ties, stuff like that, and there's one box in the middle. So I assume this is the tweeter and the crossover side. Yeah, so this is the tweeter. All right, this one I did it before because I want to test the tweeters and the mid bass, so I didn't want to scratch that. So tweeters, I believe this is a less than an inch. It kind of looks like the reference tweeter, infinity reference with tweeter. Okay, and then here you have your crossover, pretty small box, which I don't bother using crossover nowadays because I would rather install a DSP and run them active. Okay, so now that is for the component set. Let's go to the coaxial. So for the coaxial, right, it's just pretty simple, so I don't want to waste my time. It just came in a box like this. You open and we remove that. The grill is pretty similar with the component set. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, and this is the coaxial set. All right, but for some reason this feels very light for the magnet size. Okay, they're using a ferrite magnet, okay, which is power hungry a little bit, but it also been compensated by the high sensitivity. Okay, so it feels like this is a coaxial three-way. Okay, you have this small little tweeter over here, and then you have this big little tweeter. Okay, and rubber surround. Yeah, it feels the same, and even the height also is similar. And power rating is about this is max power rating, and let me see the power rating here. Yeah, this is about 80 watts, correct? So this is about 80 watt RMS, and this is about 90 watts out of RMS. Okay, So there you have it, Ground Zero Iridium Series. For the price, I decided to go with 1.6K, right? 1,600 for the front and for the rear set. Okay, not including installation yet. This is just the price for the driver. Okay, but let's see, I might adjust the price. I don't know yet. Let me see. But they sound phenomenal. I might just do a sound test, but you know, sound test is just unrealistic for me lah. All right, but yeah, overall this product quality is amazing, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoy this. Take care.